Hello traders, day trader Matt here, EminiTradingPit.com. Welcome to the pit. Hopefully you're having a great day, and let's get into the analysis. Now in my last video I talked about buying down in this region here and then writing it up. It never came below the area that I was talking about. It did shoot up quite dramatically. Now what am I actually looking for? Some people might say this move is finished right here, but I don't think so because the ES has not made a high. So I do think that it's going to come somewhere down here and find support, and anywhere between 40.86 and 40.54. So 40.54 and 40.86, I'm looking anywhere in there to find support. Now if price does come down from here, then we have to look at it on the flip side. So if it supports anywhere inside this blue box, I am looking for a move over 4,200. If it comes below that, if it gets below 4,000, that would be super disconcerting. So let's say it never made a new high over this high here. It just came straight down under 4,000, under 39.78. What would I think from there? Well, there's two different scenarios that could play out. And the first one is a more bullish scenario, but a short-lived bullish. And then the other one is just super bearish. So first option is it holds up here and goes above 4,200. Then it comes down, finds support, and pushes up again. And from there, is it the start to push to new highs? I'm kind of on the fence on that, but is it a move over 4,300, and we'll see what happens from there. It could find resistance. Yeah, I think so in that first scenario. Now that second two scenarios that I talked about, breaking that 40.56 level, now it can come down here between probably 40.15 and 39.80, anywhere in there. It can find support. Most likely it would be lower than higher though. It would come down, it would find that support, and it would do so in a choppy fashion. So probably make a Z for Zorro, something like that, or a lightning mark, whatever. And then it would find that support and push up into resistance. And then we're looking for a new low. Now if it just starts breaking down, straight down, and just starts getting super weak, what can we look for? Well, that is something that I think 33.47 comes in super important on that. So if this starts to move down, kind of want to see it break that 33.47 if it's going to start getting super weak. And that's the third scenario because I think it is the least likely at the moment. Now price can change pretty quickly, and that's why I try to highlight different options, because they can happen, and if they do, we want to be aware of them. So if it breaks 33.47 and it's going to be strong to the downside, it should come down around 3,200, 3,100, maybe 3,150, 3,100, anywhere in there. Find a little support and then push down one more time. That would be kind of interesting if that happened, but like I said, it's my third scenario for a reason. So right now I'm looking for this upper support. If that snaps, then I'm just going to wait and see what happens. It can support here, which I think is most likely going to happen if it does break that. But if it does just go straight down and there's no like choppiness to this pattern, then it could get very ugly. So just kind of want to be aware of that, but it's not something I'm really looking for as my primary scenario. But we do want to know what's happening and what's going on. So this was a great buy point for my last video. Not saying that I'm the best trader in the world. I never claimed to be. Sometimes, you know, I'm pretty decent at it, and that's why I've been able to do it for so long. So anyway, that's what I'm looking for right now. Have those three scenarios on the table. Let me know what you think if you're seeing something different, but that's what I'm seeing right now. So If you like the video, throw a like. If not, throw a dislike. I appreciate the feedback. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you around the markets. Have a great one.